Welcome back. You are watching part 2 of OHS integration with WebLogic in collocated mode. In this video, we are going to enable SSL in the OHS. We'll also see how to sign a CSR and configure a key store wallet using EM console. Before proceeding further, I would recommend you to watch part first of this video where we have installed OHS in collocated mode. All the steps are mentioned in this video, and the link of this video is in description, and I have also put that in I button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to check out my channel for more interesting videos related to WebLogic administration and SOA development. So let's open the terminal and see things in action. So we are in the terminal. Let's start. First, you'll have to start the node manager. For that, you'll have to go to domain home bin. Here you will find start node manager.sh. So we'll start this, and I'm redirecting the output to start node manager.out. Let's tail the log, and you can see our node manager is started and it is listening on 5558. Now we'll start our WebLogic server. For that, we'll run start weblogic.sh. And let us tail this out log. And once our WebLogic server is up, we will start our component, that is OHS2. So our WebLogic server is started. Let's log into EM console. So I'll give username password here. So we are logged in. We will start our component. We'll go to HTTP server OHS2 and we'll start up. And our OHS2 component is up. Now check whether it is up or not. If you remember, the configured port was 7778. You might have a different port for this, and it is up now. Let us also test HTTPS port, and it was 4445. And you can see we are not able to open using HTTPS URL. So for that, we'll have to configure the key store. So let's see how to configure that. We'll go back to EM. Now we will create a stripe for OHS. So this stripe will be created inside OHS domain. So we'll right click here. We'll go to security and go to key store. And here we will create a stripe for OHS. Remember, this is case sensitive. So the name should be OHS. Click OK. So our stripe has been created. Now we will create a key store. So to create a key store, we'll have to go to our HTTP server component, and here again right click and go to security and go to key store. And now we'll create a key store here. So I'm giving key store name as test. You can give any relevant name here, and we'll click OK. So our key store has been created, and the name of key store is followed by the component name. You can see OHS2 underscore test. Now we'll generate a key pair here. So for that, you'll have to click key store and click on manage. And here you can generate key pair. So again, we'll have to fill all the relevant details. So for our requirement, we'll give random names, but for your use case, you'll have to give relevant names. So I'm giving test, and in the common name, I'm giving host name. You can give whatever name looks relevant to you. I'm leaving subject alternative names. Organization unit, I'm giving IT. Organization, I'm giving YouTube. City, I'm giving Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. and the key type should be RSA, and key size I'm giving 2048. You can increase it also. Click OK. So our key pair has been created. Now we will generate a CSR. For that you'll have to click on key pair and click on generate CSR. So your CSR has been generated. Copy this. And now we are going to sign this CSR with third party CA. So in your case, the third party CA can be DigiCert or any renowned CA. But for our requirement, I am using getassert.com to sign our CSR. So go to getassert.com and paste this certificate here. I will share this link so that you can also try in your environment. Submit this CSR, and you can see this CSR is now signed by getassert. And here we have our signed public certificate along with public key. So we will download both of it, and you can also get a PEM certificate. So it is equivalent to our public certificate .cer file. So let us download signed CSR along with getassert public certificate. Now we will import the trusted certificate to Oracle HTTP Server Security. So click here, go to HTTP Server, right click to OHS, go to Security, go to Key Store, and here you can select your key store. Click on Manage, and you can import it. So we'll select Trusted Certificate, and we'll have to give a alias. So I'm giving getassert, and either you can paste the string here, or you can select the file, or you can select the file. So I'm going to select file. So this is our public certificate from getassert, and you can see it is imported successfully. Similarly, we'll have to import this to OHS domain. So go to OHS domain, security, key store, and here we'll have to go to system, trust, and click manage. And similarly, you can import it. So we'll select trusted cert, we'll give same alias here, and we will select file, that is getassert.cer, and we'll click OK. So our trust certificate has been uploaded to system trust also. Now we will import signed CSR to our Oracle HTTP server security. So we'll go back to HTTP server OHS2, and we'll go to security, and we'll select the key store and click on manage. And here we will import our signed CSR. So you'll have to select certificate type equal to certificate, and alias should be the test which we created for our CSR. And we will choose our signed CSR file here this time and click on OK. So our certificate has been imported successfully. I will share all the steps. The sequence is really important here. If you don't follow the sequence, you will get the error while importing this signed CSR. Now we can export key store to wallet. You can export it from here, or you can go back to key store. You can select the key store and click on export key store to wallet. So let's do it. And our key store is exported to wallet. Now let us enable the SSL. For that you'll have to navigate to Oracle HTTP server, and then you'll have to go to administration, and you'll have to go to virtual host. We'll select this entry where we have 4445, which was configured during domain creation, and we'll go to configure and click on SSL configuration. Here we will check this box if it is not checked. And here you will have to select the wallet. We'll select keystore slash test, which is just created by us. And we'll have to select the ciphers. So based on your compliance, you can select cipher suit here. I am selecting all the cipher suits. And here also you can select based on your security level. It depends on what kind of TLS protocol you can support. I am selecting all for now. And then you can click on OK, and you can see our SSL configuration has been updated. Now we'll have to restart our component. So we can use this button to restart the component. Let's restart. So our component has been restarted successfully. Let us see if HTTPS endpoint is working or not. So this time we'll open HTTPS endpoint with 444 and this time we are getting this warning because our CSR is not signed by a renowned CA. So I'm going to advance and I'm going to accept the risk, and you can see our HTTPS endpoint is loading now, and you can go to the certificate and see what certificate is there. So click here on the security, and you can go to more information, and here you can see the certificate, and you can see it is signed by getassert.com, and these are the details which we filled while creating the CSR. So we have successfully enabled SSL on our OHS, which was created in collocated mode. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for the further notification. And you can put a comment so that I can come up with a different video for you. Thank you.